Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how I display all my designer handbag. Well, more like a Chanel handbag, because you spend a lot of money buying designer bag and you want to keep them in the best condition, right? You don't want dust on there, you don't want humidity in there. So I have a solution for you, and let's get started and let me show you what I use. Alright, this is the deal. We spend money buying designer bag, and we either put the bag in a dust bag and put it in a box, or we display the bag open with air. I mean, there's options, right? But it doesn't matter what you do. Personally, I like to see my bag display. I can see it all. I know some of you put the bag in a dust bag, but I think it's hard to get it in and out. So it's not really practical. And I discovered this company called Acrylic Bag Display. I'll put the link below. Basically, it's a company that create acrylic case to display your luxury bag. Honestly, it's not something new, but they did something so special and so unique and make your bag even more, how to say that, it really displays the full function of your bag. It looks beautiful, and that's why I'm really into them. And I already have 4 of those, and I just bought one more because I want all of them. And I want to open this up to show you guys how they pack. It's really nice, and so far I have 1, 2, 3. The 4 one I bought, the total 4, I have no problem with the shipping. The case comes very nice. There's no crack on there. I mean, they really put effort for their shipping, which is really good too. So when you first open this, there's a one foam right here, so you can remove that. I'll show you guys here. So you can see the displays sit right in between the foam right here. So it's a really protection for cushions. And now let me just lift this up. So it comes like that, and they have a ceramic wrap all around this. So let me just show you one more time. See that? That's really good. Okay, so now let me just unwrap this to show you. I feel like I should wear a glove to doing this, because after you unwrap it, they are really clean, but you get fingerprint and you try to clean, it's like, oh my god, Steve, what's going on? Too much work. You know, my goal, seriously, my goal is to have all my bag display in this. Oh, that will be amazing. Even though they are not super expensive, but when you need to buy a lot, it's still kind of expensive. So this will be my 5th one. I still need another 5. I better start saving money for this now. So let me show you guys this. So you notice something here is really smart they did. How they wrap it is, as you follow their wrap, you don't really touch the box. You just touch the base. See that? So you don't really get too much fingerprint at the end until the end. So it looks like this. Ta-da! So let me show you what's so special about this, okay? You see there's a open here, so the air can go inside, so it's just airflow. And this is their logo right here in the front. Only can you see it? And when you open this, you can put your bag in here. You also have this right here. So this is to really dehumidify the bag. Depends where you live. Since I live in Southern California, it's really dry here, so I don't really need that. But if you're living like Hawaii, Mexico, Thailand, Taiwan, Singapore, it's like a humidity. So you really need something to protect your designer bag, because humidity can damage the bag. And what's so special about this is that they have a hook right here. I believe the large case don't have the hook, but the smaller case, like the C, Model C, has a hook. So what happens is you can put your chain on here, so you can see a full display, which I'm going to show you right there. It's really beautiful how they display like this. I like to, you see the hook right here? I like to turn this around so the logo is facing the front. Then, watch this. This is amazing. You put the chains here. I mean, depends how you want your display to look like. Then I just put the bag inside. Ah! Hold on, let me get this out. Okay, then I put this in here. Actually, I don't even need this because it's so dry in California, so I don't need it. Then I just put the case here. So you can see, ta-da! You can see the chain so it doesn't get all over the place. I mean, this is just so beautiful, and it's very easy to carry this around. I don't have a lot of Chanel, just a few pieces here. On the top, it's the classic Chanel flip bag. And then down this row, it's a different Chanel bag. You can see that. So I have the luxury display case for that. This two, and this is a 5 case. So you can see that it's a very clean, very nice display. Now watch this one down here. So I have the Chanel wallet on chain. There's no display, so the bag is really sitting here collecting dust. Same thing for that, so I definitely need more display. I mean, look at the difference. So much more nicer. Now I want to give you, to show the Louis Vuitton. That's a hot mess. I mean, come on. I really need case for all this. Oh my God, better save money. So that will give you some idea that what does the display case look like. I really hope that you liked today's video to showing you how I display and take care of my bag. At the end, I want to let you know that you spend a lot of money buying the designer goods, and you want to take care of them because you don't want to ruin them. I mean, it doesn't matter how much money you have. It's also respect for the designer. So I feel like if you don't want to use a luxury bag display, you can use any type of display. It does not matter. That's just my personal reference. Hopefully you found this video helpful. Again, I'll link their company purchase site on below so you can take a look. And by the way, this is not a sponsor thing. I pay for it and I really just like it a lot. So at the end, I want to say thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate that. And guess what? Don't forget to follow all my social media right over here, and to follow me every day to see what's happening with me, how's my workout progress. Check out my Instagram all-in-one on Instagram. If you want to know about beauty, connections, skincare, hair care, fragrances, check out my site called Skin by Steve Jen. Alright? And I will see you guys next week. Thank you. Bye.